Okay. Whoa!
Whoa!
Welcome back, guys.
Yeah.
So, okay, 1 second. Oh, bagel. Give me your bowl. Thank you. All right, so we're just finishing up breakfast, guys. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so today we have a busy schedule. We're gonna go to our local bakery here. We're gonna go pick up some of our favorite Japanese bread, and then we're gonna make some egg sandos, so tamago sando for lunch. And then after that, for dinner tonight, we're gonna head over to Seafood City. We're actually gonna go grocery shopping inside Seafood City, and then pick up some dinner, hopefully from their food cafeteria or their like little mini restaurant thing that they have inside there. And we're gonna do a Filipino mukbang. So make sure you guys go check out that channel on the Crunch Bros. All right, guys, so we're gonna go get ready now. We're gonna head over and pick up some bread, and then we'll show you guys how to make that sandwich. All right, come along with us. We're gonna go get ready, guys. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh. Let's go. We're gonna get some cream bun.
The chocolate?
Should we get this one? 6 slice or 8 slice? Here, we're gonna get one of each. Take it to mommy. You can have it for tomorrow then. Whoa. Nice. Anything else? Alright, Jordan's gonna make us some lunch.
Tamago sando.
What are you gonna put in it? We have mayo, and we're gonna put in an egg. And you guys just saw we went and we picked up this bread, and we have eggs, Japanese Kewpie mayo, and Jordan. Whoa. Maybe she get a fork. This is such an easy recipe. Jordan has a full video, guys. If you guys want to see, go check out his channel on Easy Peasy Jordan. Oh.
Oops, sorry.
So make sure you guys go check out Easy Peasy Jordan. We'll put the link down below. That was good.
I think it needs a little bit more.
Take the bread. Did you just sniff the bread? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Top it off. Oh dude, that's so weird. Nice.
Let's cut it in half.
Itadakimasu.
job. Bananas.
Cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe. Nice. Oranges. Oh, that's mandarin. Oh yeah. It's only $1.99. Check it out, guys. They have some crazy, look at these crazy flavors. Look at, there's corn cheese. Jordan, look at, there's corn cheese flavored ice cream. It's corn cheese flavored ice cream. And the ube cheese ice cream. They have guava, Thai tea, green tea, cashew jackfruit. What? Look at, you could even get your own Filipino style spaghetti. That's crazy, it comes in a bag. Whoa, check it out, it's kitty spaghetti sauce. Check this out, look at this, extra big Payless pancit chicken stogangon. Stotangon. Have you guys tried these before? Let us know in the comments. Oh my goodness, those are spicy. Those look spicy.
Thank you. Pancit.
Nice, look at that. There's chicken. There's chicken and sausages. Can we do like 2 chicken, 1 pork? Pork. Just gonna stop.
Makaka-order para sa Sabado. Okay.
Okay, we just finished up shopping at Seafood City. There were just a lot of different things in there.
Well, stuff we aren't used to because we don't cook Filipino food.
Yeah, it was kind of fun seeing the different types of Filipino ingredients that you can use. We went to Grill City, which is
A little barbecue shop.
it's like a little barbecue shop, so you guys saw a little clip of that.
We held up the line because we didn't know what to get.
We did hold up the line.
Mm-hmm.
It was just
It's kind of overwhelming.
It was a little overwhelming. There were so many different types of meats. There were so many different types of meats and different types of side dishes, and it wasn't really clear on what we can order or how to order it. But we asked the ladies behind the counter, and they kind of guided us a little bit. But then we ultimately just ended up getting like the grilled meat platter, which comes with a bunch of grilled meats. You could choose from chicken and pork. And then we got some sides. We got like the lumpias. And then Jordan's gonna make some halo halo, so make sure you guys go check out his channel. Are you gonna put it on his channel? Mm-hmm. So make sure you guys go check out his channel. So the dessert is gonna be halo halo. Are you ready for halo halo, Jordan?
Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna head back home. Jordan's gonna make some halo halo. But yeah, we'll see you guys back at home.
That looks like a Pokemon.
That looks like a Pokemon.
That looks like a cloud.